Here we are at problem 3a from our target 1. We're asked to evaluate the following expression, and in doing so we notice that we have some variables here that we might have to substitute with where we know that x is 3 and y is equal to 7. So in doing so, we're going to go ahead and pretty much just do our first step, which is throwing in these values into our x and y. And so when we do that, we end up with 5 minus our x, which is 3, times our y value, which is 7. Now, I always throw my substitution values in parentheses because it kind of helps me keep track of what's been substituted and what has not been, especially with the signs that are right beside them as well. From previous experience, I've seen many students maybe mix up a minus symbol if that variable actually has a minus symbol inside of it. So again, anytime I'm substituting anything in, I always throw them in parentheses just to distinguish this negative from maybe one that's inside with a number. So next, what we're going to go ahead and do is follow our order of operations, in which case we notice that we have 5 minus this 3 and this 7 being multiplied together. So we're going to go ahead and multiply these two items first, in which case we would end up then with 5 minus 3 times 7 is 21 inside of our absolute value. Next, we can go ahead and subtract these two. We end up then with 5 minus 21 gives us negative 16 inside that absolute value. And then finally, the absolute value of negative 16 just comes out to be regular positive 16. So again, this would be our simplified version for problem 3a from target 1.